Festival of Lights Diwali is being celebrated across the country with traditional fervor and gaiety today. President Drupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and PM Modi have greeted the nation on the occasion of Diwali. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today interacted with members of the armed forces in Kargil, said various civilizations developed throughout the world and come to an end, but India's civilization has always revived from every possible challenges. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, on the occasion of United Nations Day, has said that India will always stand with the Global South and seek to strengthen the United Nations' effectiveness. As a result of Johnson's decision, Rishi Sunak has moved one step closer to become Britain's first Indian origin Prime Minister. In ICC Men's T20 World Cup, India has beaten arch-rival Pakistan by 4 wickets at Melbourne Cricket Ground in a nail-biting finishing yesterday.